Hi there. Today I want to show you the best, easiest way to make hot chocolate. Now there's all sorts of recipes out there that you'll come across. Some people will use Hershey's cocoa, some people will use actual chocolate, some people will grind it up, some people will chop it up and melt it. Some people will just take Swiss Miss or whatever your favorite powder is and pour it into a cup. Personally, my mom makes a really good hot chocolate mix that she makes every year. But none of that matters for this recipe. This is the best, easiest hot chocolate that you'll ever have. And it's got one secret ingredient right there. That's all it takes. Andes Candies. Add it to your mix. You'll be amazed. Check this out. If you're using a powder, just pour that into your cup. Take one little Andes candy, set it right there on top of the powder. If you mix it wet in the pot, just put it in the cup before you pour your hot chocolate into your cup, and then you add your water. That's all there is to it. You'll have rich, delicious hot chocolate like you've never had before, and you'll never go back. Add your marshmallows or your whipped cream, however you like it. That's all there is. It's that simple. Just a little Andes Candies added to your hot chocolate. Delicious.